Every instructor will tell you there's at least 3 ways to do everything in AutoCAD. Command entry is no exception. Let's take a look at the menu browser, yet another way to launch our AutoCAD commands. Now the menu browser is located right up here. It's the big letter A. I'm going to click this guy to open him up. When I do, I can see a series of menus. Now these menus are very similar to the pull-down menus available in other Windows applications. They're just oriented vertically on the screen, but they work the same way. Now each menu is a logical grouping of AutoCAD commands. If I go to the File menu, I can see commands that are related to the AutoCAD drawing as a whole. For instance, I can create a new drawing or open a drawing. I can save. I can even come down and plot. If I go to the Edit menu, here's where I can access my undo and redo, as well as my clipboard functionality. Now we're not going to go through all of the menus at this time. We're going to go through a few of them. Probably the most important menus are your Draw and your Modify menus. This is where we can create geometry. And the Modify menu is where we can edit our geometry. Since we have the Modify menu open, I'm going to come over, take a look at some of the icons, some of the commands we have available in the Modify menu. Now that we've looked at those, I'm going to move off of the menu and click in Model Space to collapse it. Take a look at the Modify panel. It's the exact same tools. Remember, the menu browser is just a secondary or an alternate way of launching AutoCAD commands. Now you may be asking yourself, which method is best? Which way should I work? Well, you can work using whatever method works best for you. That's the nice thing about AutoCAD. It allows you to make the choice. Let me go back to the menu browser. I'm going to click to open this guy up. I'm going to come down to the Help menu. This is where we can go if we have a question. Now that I'm in the menu, I'm going to come over and up, and we'll select Help. And from the Help menu, I can click Index, and we can type the command or feature that we have a question about. Let me move up to close the dialog box. I want to show you another way that we can access help in AutoCAD. Let me go to the menu browser. I'm going to come down to the Draw tools, and I'm going to move over and select the Line command. As soon as I launch the command, if I look right down here at the bottom of the screen, I can see the command is running. If you are in the middle of a command and you hit your F1 key, it will launch the Help menu. And it will take you directly to the context-sensitive help for that specific command. So just another way to get some information when you need it. This can be very helpful for a beginner. I'm going to move up and close the menu. And then I'm going to hit the Escape key because I'm still in this command. Escape will cancel you out of any running command. The menu browser gives us an alternative way to launch our AutoCAD commands. By offering us a choice, AutoCAD allows us to work using whatever method we decide is most productive.